Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see the little object that I have created on the embroidery hub. So let's start. So first I created the cake. So you can see I have first started giving it an outline, and I used light blue color shade over here. So again you can use any color and it's on you, but then after creating the outline, what I did, I'm just going to now put a shaded color of darker blue also. So I'm just giving it a design that what you want you can give it, but I'm just putting it in a straight line. And then after completing it, I just made the candle for again the light blue color. So you can see here I created a candle, and then using the same color I have just given outer line to it. So now my cake is ready. Now I'll give it a candle. I'll make a blowing candle with the yellow color. So I just used knot type embroidery, and then I made I lit the candle with the yellow color. So yes, so it's done. So after the candle I made the sun. So for the sun embroidery, again I'm using yellow color. So you can use it in the yellow and orange shade. It's again up to you. After giving it a normal stitch, I just roll my thread over it, so it's came into the circle type. And then after that I just created a race with different shade of color. Then after that I made a clock. Again I used the same pattern. I first created the outline using the normal stitch and giving the first outline, and then I rolled my thread over all the outlines that I have created. And after doing it, I have made an clock with using yellow color, different color. So again you can choose any different color. I choose it a base color of black for everything, kind of an outline. So that's it. And then I created the signature of king, so the sign that king always used. So I just created that with the pencil, and then I just started creating an outline using the yellow color, as the king sign always will be made by the yellow color. So after giving it an outline, I'm just now again rolling some thread over it, so giving it a nice finishing, so as you can see in the video. And I repeated the same throughout the outlines of the king signature. And after doing it, when it will be done, what I'll do the knot type over all the rings that I have made above. So as you can see, it's done. And then once I'll finish this outlining, then I'll just go and just put a knot type on all the rings that I have created. Then I just made 3 boxes, and then in that box I have written A, B, C. It's kind of like of a newborn baby embroidery, so that's why I just made some toys over here. So you can watch it now, like simply creating the normal stitching, giving it an outline, and I used yellow color, so it's in a customized automation. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care.